So this is the motor that came in for a idle issue. But if you look at your supply tube right there, it's got a flat side on it. So it's not round anymore. Pulled off the this was stuck in there, which is silicone, so someone's been using silicone, black silicone on it all over the place, and that's not necessary. But the impeller seems to be in good shape. It looks a little old, but it's not that bad a shape. So this is just what we found, and it could be all that water tube's not round anymore and squishing water out the side. So this is what we've found so far.